All right, time to take a look at the GearLight TAC LED flashlight 2-pack. So they are individually wrapped, which is great. So I do like all the texture they've got on this thing. So that's nice. That's going to make it real easy to grip. And this lens, very important for me, this actually does focus. So what that means is if I need to flood that light out, I can just push that in. I can see everything that's in front of me. But if I want to focus down on something like an oil level or something like that, I can make that a pinpoint and I can see that a lot easier. So this is the only style of flashlight that I want. We also have a tether strap here on the back. We have a clip so you can clip that to your pocket and a single push button here on the back. So very simple thing. We have a nice good looking LED in there behind the lens. So if we pull this apart, okay, so we have a 3-pack for AAA batteries, and I do see this O-ring right here to make sure that everything stays sealed, so I like that. We also have this tube, so if you have an 18650 battery, we can take that, stuff that in there, put our 18650 in there, and we don't have to worry about that rattling around. Okay, nice. So that's one thing I really like to see. On most flashlights these days, they got like 5 different settings. There's low, medium, high, and then there's SOS and strobe. But what that means is 2 out of 5 times I turn that flashlight on and it's flashing in my eyes and it blinds me. So this is the way that every flashlight should work. You turn it on, it just turns on. That is awesome. That's exactly the way I like it. And we can't see, if I focus that thing down, we got a nice bright spotlight on there. So that's gonna make it real easy to see things. Like if you're trying to focus on something specifically, this makes that way easier. And then if I pull that out, now we can see everything. So yeah, that is an incredible little light. And we got 2 of them. So I'll pop this one out and just make sure. Yep, everything in here is exactly the same. And that is all interchangeable. Cool. So yeah, that is a fantastic set of flashlights. I am very happy with that.